some of the inequalities we have in society and how education can be one of the great equalizers. And providing a good educational experience for students that prepares them to become a professional is one of the ways that we can kind of put a spoke into that injustice of inequality.
I wholeheartedly believe that the work that we do in this community is extremely important. I too am a member of the South Chicago community. I grew up in this community. I went to school in this community, and I know the importance of receiving a high-quality education and the impact that it has on one's life.
EPIC students represent me in essence, and when I look at them, I see only possibilities for achievement and for growth.
CCS is short for College Career and Skills, and in there it basically teaches us how to be prepared for high school, what you need to do to be successful, to get to college, in college, and it also tells you a little bit on what to do after you get out of college. And my goal when I get older is to go to UIC and become an anesthesiologist, so that's really why I'm excited for CCS, because it'll help me, it'll teach me how to get there.